Create a mass calling system in 7 steps. This video tutorial will teach you how to create an effective mass calling system for large customer outreach. Step 1. Visit sigmavoice.com. Click the sign up button for a free trial of our mass calling service. Step 2. Sign into your account. In your account, you can set your caller ID, create recordings, upload your contacts, send out your calls, and view call reports. Step 3. Set your caller ID. The caller ID is one of your organization's phone numbers. This 10-digit phone number will be displayed to your contacts on their phone. Your organization name will be displayed as well for most of the calls. Step 4. Create your recording. You can upload a voice recording file from your device, or you can record your voice message by calling our dedicated recording line. Most recordings are between 30 to 60 seconds, however, your recording could be much longer if you want. We also have a free text-to-speech option. Step 5. Upload your contacts. It's fast and easy to import your contacts into your Sigma Voice account. Our system accepts many 10-digit phone number formats. In addition to the phone number, you can also include the first name and last name of each contact. Our system automatically checks for and removes any duplicate phone numbers. Step 6. Send your calls. You can schedule your calls to be sent at a future date and time, or send the calls immediately. You can also choose how fast your calls are sent by selecting how many Sigma Voice phone lines you want to use. For example, you can send 1,000 calls in less than 1 hour using 50 phone lines. Step 7. Call report. The call report shows detailed information for each phone call. This includes the date and time of the phone call, as well as if the call was answered by a human or a machine. The report also shows the length of each phone call. Learn more at sigmavoice.com.